Today we went to IAStudios in Hereford with Dan and Elliot. We wanted to show our gratitude for all the help that they've given us and still give us now, and all the advice with blacksmithing. So we said that we'd connect up their power hammer to their main supply. Before we got going though, we stopped at the GV Cafe, which is next door to the studios. It was a great place. We had a lovely breakfast. And we had the pleasure of meeting Gloria as well, who looks like she was lots of fun. So this is the power hammer. It looks like something you find in an industrial museum really, but Elliot and Dan have been working on it and restoring it, and it's sort of now fully working. It's a B&S Massey Blacksmith power hammer, 300 weight, 3-phase air hammer, and the hammer's approximately 150 kilograms in weight. It's a massive machine, and it was great to be able to sort of wire it up and get it going, and hopefully the pictures give you some sort of size of the scale. This is the first test of the wiring, and it seems like everything worked.
In my trunk and my clothes, and I'll show you.